You might know the saying, better software, better research. For me, this means especially one thing. We need to develop research software in a sustainable way. But what does this mean and how can I achieve this? This is a question we get asked a lot at the German Aerospace Center, and that is why me and my group developed a training targeting researchers and showing them how you can develop your code in a sustainable way. We call it Bring Your Own Script and Make It Ready for Publication. And the name is exactly what we do. We do not only show you which steps you can take to make your own code more sustainable and prepared for publication, but we do it together with you. So you bring your code, we show you how to do it, and then you directly take what you learn and put it into practice on your own code. And if you have questions, me and my colleagues are there for you to answer them. So sign up, and I'm looking forward to meet you.